What's up guys, and welcome to this video. In this video it's all about GitHub, and I'll show you how to use GitHub, how to add code work to a repository, how to clone a repository, and what happens when you open GitHub etc. So yeah, this is my GitHub. Feel free to check it out, all my repositories. So without further ado, let's just start. Make a new repository. Alright, this repository will be called JavaScript. I already have some code on the desktop. I'll be adding this repository or the work in that folder to a repository. JavaScript. Some code about JavaScript. Okay, yeah, if you want it to be private, you have to pay, but we're not here to make private repositories, are we? Alright, so initialize this repository with readme. Yes, of course. Now create the repository. Okay, so now you need to clone this to your desktop in order to add work to it. So clone to desktop, cloning desktop. Okay, open in GitHub. GitHub should now be opening. Yep, clone as, and it gets stored in this folder. Let me open the folder as well at the same time. So go to my home directory, GitHub is here. There you go. Okay, so what we're doing at the minute, yeah, JavaScript clone. There you go, the folder is now made. So now I can go in here, readme is also in there, copy this, put it in here. So that's in there. I can just close that now, and now all I need to do is just do sync. JavaScript, just some code, commit to master. Is that synced? Yeah, it's syncing now. Well, that has synced. Okay, so now when I go here, back to here, go into JavaScript. Where is that folder? Go back to this, go back to GitHub, JavaScript, click that, that's what should have come up. Yes, go back to your repository, refresh that in case nothing, oh there it is, yep. JavaScript, click that on all the code that was saved in that file. Here is the file. Here it is, all the code. Let me just click view page source. And there you have it. This is all the source code viewed from Firefox. Close that. Mute that. Did I say mute? I mean move that down. There you have it. That's how you put code into a repository on GitHub. GitHub is a nice way to show off your work to your employers. It's like an online storage. That's how you put work into a folder, also a repository. Alright, so let's just check. CD desktop, CD, oh wait, ls. Where are we? CD, GitHub. Yes, it's all correct. Close terminal down. JavaScript, that's how you get code into store code online for employers to see. Or I'm going to close Firefox. I'm also going to close GitHub down because I've synchronized it. It's all on there, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.